Hello guys, and welcome back to another A.J.G's Adventures video. I can make another video if you guys would like. Tell me in the comments if you'd like me to, on how I fixed it, or what I did, what I used. And yeah, but I can't show you because I already done it now. But yes, so if anyone knows as well what paint I should be using to paint it and what colors, comment down below. If you got any designs for it that you want me to have a look at and consider, you can send it to me on my Snapchat in the descriptions. Thank you. Here's the undercarriage switch here. Obviously it's not plugged in right now, but have I got power bank? I can't plug it in for you guys, but I don't think so. No, I can't. But it doesn't work anymore. As you know, pull up the clip. It was working, but now it only does here, that, literally that, and that's it. So if anyone knows how to fix this, please comment down below. I really need to fix this because the lights aren't working anymore. Then yes, those are the lights. When I get the workshop done, there'll be a workshop video, full workshop video, but it's actually kind of a disappointment that I've already fixed it and I can't get the content for it. So that's a shame, but yes, that's the update. Alright, so I actually managed to find the old bumper. As you can see, yeah. You gonna focus? Wait, why am I zooming? But that's the easiest camera sometimes. Why is it moving like that? Well, if the focus is... Hold on, let me try and change my setting. Oh wait, hold on. Yes. There you go, as you can see. This hole is better anyway. Oh, that's me sanding here as well. Obviously, you have to wait for it to dry to get. Ooh. And these are the new tinted plates, because I'm a bad boy. Whoa, what a coincidence that. 56 drive, hey! Whoa. As you can see, here's my tripod. And it's still broken. Getting repaired though. Make your goddamn mind up. Make your mind up, fool. I'll take it as it's ready. Here we go. And now we'll wrap up this one as well. We still going. And it's back to ready. Don't worry then. Now, while it's doing its thing, again, wonder what the result's gonna be like. But while it's doing its thing, I was thinking, obviously, you know, guys, look at my phone here, and I'm filming on you. But I'm thinking I'm getting a different camera, because if you didn't know, this is what I film on. It's it's literally just another phone, and I put it on the tripod. Oh no, I can switch back to this one. And I put it on the tripod, but I was thinking I'm getting a new phone. No, not a new phone. Give her a little flipperooski and push right back in. Yeah, but I was thinking I'll get a new camera. I was looking at a GoPro. But they are pigs. Like, we talk a big boy money. Big boy money that I don't have. Serious. And then I was looking at what's it called? DJI Pocket 3. Those are even more peas. So I don't know. And I was looking at like obviously you know those 4K action cameras, which is literally a GoPro but cheaper. Don't even know if they're gonna actually be good. So don't really know if I should just continue on this or change. What do you guys think? Put it down below in the comments. I don't know. Oh, looking good. Oh, yeah. Oh, what am I doing? Now I've got to put that one in. Hold on. Oh, the space in the mixer is a bit... Oh, yeah. Can you see it at all? No. Put that down a bit. Down a bit more. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that matches so well. Oh, what do you want me to do what I've done? I've just, as you see it goes on top there. So again, I've just cut the whole cord. Don't know that's hard to get, but that's what it looked like. A.J.G, yeah? For that one. So now I have two A.J.Gs. So, yeah. But I'm going to change that one. So if you guys have any number plate recommendations for that one, comment down below your recommendation and I'll choose the best one. And if I don't like any of them, I'm choosing my own. You know, something that would match me and like the vibe and fits through that hole perfectly, doesn't it? This will somehow be like that one day. Cup holder test! Get a nice shot there. There's the cup holder. And here we've got some Prime. Not sponsored. And when we put it in, it doesn't move. It can take the weight. Should have just about enough space. If I lift it up, oh, hold on. You also have loads of space for steering to still move, as you see, because obviously it holds the weight. Boom. Even if it did fall out, look, you gotta take it out at an angle. So, boom. Have one either side? I think so. Let's actually try something, because it's rubbish, but no sponsor. That one's actually not too bad. If I had to drink them, I would drink this. If I had the choice, I would not drink this. But if I had to drink this, I would drink it. Happily fine. Perfectly fine. Happily. Whatever. I'm loving that. Oh wait, no it's not. This is my pov. Doesn't interfere, but my legs don't interfere with it. No. Oh, access my glove box. Sorry, it's quite hard to. You see? Still access it. Just like normal. Doesn't move it. Or interfere with it. The only thing is I have to open up my legs to open the glove box because obviously I got a wide one instead of short one, but beautiful. It's just a Fine that with water? No problem. I wish I could aim it up though, but like that, but we'll work with it.